everyone, this is Luna from ASKT Furniture. Welcome to day 1 of CIFF Guangzhou. Have you already arrived at the fair today? If you are here, feel free to come visit us. If you are not at the show, no worries at all. We'll be hosting live sessions every day, so you can still explore everything online with us. Make sure to follow and stay informed of the upcoming live streams today. I will take your thoughts what's happening at our booth and show you some key pieces that are already getting a lot of attention from buyers. Alright, let me show you what people have been stopping for all afternoon. First up, this is our Daro dining chair. You can see the background back here. It really gives that soft, cozy feeling when you sit in it. A lot of visitors just now actually come over and tried it themselves, and what they really like in this combination of fabrics. It makes the chair look much more premium on the shop floor. Would this kind of design fit your current collection? Now let's move to this one, Mason. These pieces have been getting quite a lot of questions today. So what's special here is the wooden KD structure combined with a 316-degree swivel function. So if you're not just getting a natural look, but also a very flexible sitting experience. Some of our Europe silents just now were saying this would work really well for both dining and home office. What do you think? More dining use or more mixed use? And over here, let me show you Newton. This one feels a bit more premium, right? We are using leather for the front and the fabric on the back. So you get a high-end look but still keep the cost under control. The model is actually getting attention from buyers who are looking for something slightly more upscale for 2026. Can you imagine in this a dining space or even a workspace setup? So that's a quick look at some of our key pieces we are showcasing today. What do you think of this design? I'd really love to hear your thoughts. Which one is your favorite so far? And if you are at CIFF here, definitely come and visit our booth. Because honestly, you can only feel the comfortable these chairs and you sit in yourselves. And one more thing you shouldn't miss. At our booth, you can express our brand new B2B AI sourcing platform, Sunbeam AI. It can actually recommend products for you and even help match chairs with your tables based on your needs. So come by, explore the collection, try everything out, and see how we can support your next collection.